What up, though? I'm Gus Weaver, and recently I dropped in on the Fordson Tractors basketball practice. Enjoy the sights and sounds of Tractors basketball.
Pass it to the outside. Right up, D, right up. Good job. On ball. Just obliterated. You gotta talk it, you gotta feel it, and you gotta either hedge, hard, show, or switch. You gotta talk.
Before the first interview, please hit the subscribe button on the YouTube channel, Gus Weaver.
All right, I'm here with Junior Muhammad Habhab. This guy's the real deal. He's been taking some official visits to major colleges coming into your junior year. What type of expectations do you have for the team? Do you have any personal goals after such a productive offseason?
For the team, I'd say just try to get better every day and focus on playing as a team. Take one game at a time. Just win as many games as you can. We're going to go as far as we can. Try to go as deep in the playoffs as we can.
And I know for a fact, because I've covered you in the past, that you are a bona fide bucket getter. I'll have my eyes on you this year. Thank you for the talk.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, man.
Yeah.
This young man right here wearing number 3, Kareem, one of my favorite players on the Tractors roster. Been watching him for a long time, and you can see him right here really heating up.
Heat up, Kate, heat up.
I'm here with senior point guard Billy Macklett. I've watched this kid in the past. Talk to me a little bit about your responsibility being a senior point guard. Talk to me.
My responsibility for this team is, I'm a returning player from last year, playing a lot of minutes, dishing the ball out, trying to make open shots, no turnovers, get my players in the game.
Tell me something about the tradition here at Fordson, like at your home games. How crazy can it get here?
It can get really crazy, really crazy.
I like that. What's your favorite food, man?
Pasta.
Pasta? Job well done, baby.
Thank you.
All right.
But out doesn't move to the middle. You gotta take that.
I enjoyed my time here in Dearborn while learning a lot about the tractor tradition. Major shout to coaching legend Guy Delgadis for the wonderful hospitality along with his staff. I'm Gus Weaver. See me next time.